ever experienced the same thing I have had for several times? Don't worry, I got you. I think for me, I'm just lazy. Sometimes I want to do different hairdo, but I'm just so lazy. And I'll just put on a headband on my head and I'll feel like, oh, I feel different today. However, sometimes headbands come in different shapes. Like this one is quite light and thin. The main structure part here is quite long. So I always tend to buy this kind of headband. It just fits my head perfectly. But you know, because of Ariana Grande, the vintage headband, you know, just comes back to life again. It's quite thick and heavy. I don't know if you have any problem with this. At least my head cannot fit in. Every time when I try to put it on my head, it just... the headband just moved around, even fell out from my head. Really annoying. So I just came up with this idea to fix it. I don't think many people have the problem with this kind of headband. Since it's really easy to fold, it has a hard thing inside. I found a way to make it more steady. You stick Velcro to the inner part of your headband and you're ready to go. The most annoying one is the one I'm wearing, like this one, a little bit thick and a little bit heavier than the usual headband. You can use ribbons or even shoelace. I suggest use hot glue gun. Don't use super glue. I tried. It didn't work because most headbands, I think the material is fabric. If you can find any glue that is suitable for fabric, it might work. Pretty easy. This is the real 5-minute craft. I know, just enjoy all of your hair accessories. I hope this video does help you a bit.